COVID-19 pandemic has hit up every business across the country. Several SMEs and large businesses are experiencing a downfall in their daily income and lack of footfall. But humanity is still alive. Many companies, be it small or large scale, have come forward during this pandemic to serve the citizens in the best way possible. Ironically, where the government has left no stone unturned in abandoning its citizens regarding the COVID-19 responses, these companies are serving the people for free. The whole country has united together to combat the deadly virus. The Sikh community has set up oxygen lungers by which the needy people can get access to free oxygen cylinders. Similarly, several companies that sell these oxygen cylinders are now helping their customers in the times of crisis free of cost. Ola has also pledged to help the people by providing free oxygen cylinders. This commendable move will surely embark its effect in helping the company to rise. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal also set an online portal on Thursday, the previous week, under which people can register themselves and get access to oxygen cylinders. The oxygen cylinders are so crucial in today's time when lakhs of people are losing their lives as the deadly virus has made it difficult for them to breathe. Ola has recently announced that it will be helping its customers regarding the ongoing oxygen crisis as well. Soon, Ola app users will be able to book oxygen cylinders and concentrators through the app. This announcement came up after the Give India app and Ola collaborated to provide free oxygen cylinders to people of this country. Ola will not charge users with a concentrator or its other items and will refund it to users if they feel better and no longer needed. The service will be rolled out in Bangalore next week and will expand throughout India in the coming weeks. Bhavish Agarwal, founder of Ola, on Twitter wrote, "We must come together to help our communities in these unprecedented times. Today, we are announcing the O2 for India program in partnership with Give India to provide free and easy access to oxygen concentrators for those in need." He further said that the Ola users can also request oxygen cylinders via the Ola app. After the request for the cylinder is validated through the Ola app, the users will get it delivered to their doorsteps free of cost. Ola will also be having a pickup service wherein the cylinders will be picked up once it's used. Ola will start the service by providing 500 oxygen cylinders in Bangalore. In the coming weeks, Ola and Give India are planning to roll out more than 10,000 oxygen concentrators all over India. Free vaccines will be provided to all the Ola employees, wherein Ola will be covering the vaccination costs. Bike taxi companies such as Uber and Rapido have also stepped up to help and assist their users in the pandemic. Uber and Rapido offer free rides for users who have to go to and from the vaccination centers. Uber users can add a 10M21V promo code to the budget of their Uber program, and when users enter the code, the promo code will be added to their departure.